This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model S at a supercharger. First, use your car's navigation system to find the nearest supercharger station. Once you arrive, position your vehicle so the charge port is easily accessible to the charging cable. Then, simply open the charge port door on your Tesla Model S, preparing it for the next step. This ensures a smooth and efficient start to your charging session. Now, carefully remove the supercharger cable from its pedestal. Take the charging connector and firmly insert it into your car's charge port. You will hear a click, and the indicator light on your vehicle's charge port should turn green, confirming a successful connection. Your Tesla Model S will now begin charging automatically. You can easily monitor your charging progress directly on your car's large touchscreen display. It shows the current charge level, estimated time remaining, and charging speed. Payment for supercharging is handled automatically through your linked Tesla account, so there is no need to swipe a card. Charging rates may vary depending on the station and time of day. Once your charging session is complete, or you've reached your desired charge level, you can disconnect. Simply press the button on the supercharger handle to release it from your car's charge port. After removal, please return the supercharger cable neatly to its designated holder on the pedestal. You are now ready to continue your journey with a fully charged Tesla Model S.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.